Yo, welcome to Rep World, where the game's insane. We got the hottest timepieces, straight flexing with no shame. From Samaritans to Datejust, we got them all. Quality so legit, you won't believe the call. Hit me up on WhatsApp, let me hook you up. I'll get you real timepiece, no need to interrupt. Uncompromising quality, that's what we do. Exquisite, super clone
Hello, my fellow watch enthusiastic people and the world. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great, just as I do. And I'm sorry that I haven't had the time to do this type of video in a while, with the holiday season around the corner and everything. Been very busy, but nevertheless, here I am, and I'm sporting my clean Daytona, which I got back to wearing that one recently. I love it dearly. But without any further ado, we have a mystery box, so drum roll. Let's see what we have inside. These watches are not for me to keep, but let's see what we have inside. Got the plastic beautifully, and let's see what we have inside. I see that this knife isn't that good for this type of kind of adventure, but let's see what we have inside. Without any further ado, let's see. Oh, it's tough this time. I'll cut a little bit here more, cut a little bit there more, trying to be gentle and breezy as possible. Okay, mystery box. Let's see what we have inside. Here's one, and here's two, and some beautiful accessories that we love so much. So let's see. Put accessories here, and let's see the first one. The suspense is killing me. Yes. Okay. It's the one and only, one of the most coveted and popular models in the Datejust line, the olive green. The card is here, the tag is here, everything is here. The olive green Datejust from the wonderful guys at the VS Factory, the one and only VS Factory is the first one. So let's only take off this nylon wrapping and listen to that music of the 3235 VS Dang Dong. Hope you can hear it. Continue to wind it until it starts running, otherwise it might just need a small shake, just like genuine Rolex watches. No, it started to run. So, I mean, you know what they say, it's hard to see the color, but it is green. The green, olive green dial. And I mean, what can you say? This watch is absolutely fucking gorgeous. Maybe like this. We will charge the lamp a little, give it some flair. Here you can see the marvelous olive green dial in all of its glory. And of course, to those who are It has a quick set date. Everything has a hacking movement, of course. You wouldn't expect anything else. And yes, indeed, this is indeed one of the VSF true beautiful creations for those who love a modern size Datejust. I mean, there is no going wrong with this one. I mean, it's just spectacular. Let's see. 1 second, it needs to click into place and start running. So this is the first one, the first crown jewel, and let's see the second one. What is the second one? Let's see. It's another Datejust. Again, the card and everything is here. It's beautifully wrapped, but this one is a 36mm one with that marvelous blue dial. I guess that's one of the better dials ever. It's just so beautiful. Also, I shaked it a little so it started running off the bat. I mean, what do you need more? I mean, look at those things. Just a beautiful Datejust has such a distinguished, respected, should say, maybe, place in every watch collection. I personally love 36mm, but some prefer more modern ones. I will maybe do a small wrist check on my 7-inch wrist. As you can see, that's the 41. It's beautiful, it sits nicely, but I prefer the more refined watch kind of style, like the 36. So I'll put that one on so you can have a look at that one as well on my 7-inch wrist. And sorry, bump the camera. And I mean, that's what I'm talking about. Absolutely fucking gorgeous. I mean, it doesn't get any better than a proper Datejust. It does get better. Each watch with its own purposes, but when it comes to something kind of that has some kind of additional kind of classy look to it, and everything is just, I mean, the Datejust is the timepiece that is timeless, you know, timeless timepiece, a true classic. And so I keep this video a little bit short. If you have any questions or something like that, you're welcome to contact us. And hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and everything. And I'll see you in the next one. And keep on ticking in the free world. And bye-bye for now.
Rep world secrets shining bright. Stepping out the shadows, we run the show. In rep world, where the finest things grow. With every tick, our legend just flows. In this realm of time, we are the glow.